How to fix Chrome high memory uses on mobile. So if you've seen this error message being displayed inside of your Google Chrome, the first and immediate solution to this is you'll need to close out all of the tabs that you might have opened up. So what normally people do is they let their tabs or websites run on the background. So what you can do in this case is remove all of the tabs that are currently open. What you can also try out is try to clear the site cache and data from the site settings of Google Chrome. You can do that by heading over to the three-dotted line, and from there head over to settings. Once you're inside of the settings page, you can scroll down, tap on site settings, scroll down to the bottom of the page, and then head over to data stored. Make sure that all of these caches and data are cleared out by tapping on delete all data. Once you complete this step, what you can also try out is try to restart the application. So just close the app of Google Chrome from the recent app list and also look for new updates available. So just head over to the Play Store, search for Google Chrome. If you do see new updates available, you can just tap on the update button. Once you do these few steps, you should be able to fix the Google Chrome high memory uses error inside of your mobile device. I do hope this guide video was helpful to you. If it was, leave a like. That's pretty much all for today. I'm going to see you in the next video.